Hazel Polong, welcome back to my channel if you're new here, and today we're gonna have an unboxing video of seamiart watercolor gift set in 50 beautiful colors. So I bought it in Shopee for only 492 pesos plus shipping fee, so aabot siya ng more than 500 above. But in my case, meron akong voucher kaya nabili ko na lang siya ng 492 pesos. And let's do the unboxing! As you open it guys, secured na secured siya sa bubble wrap. As you can see, ang kapal ng bubble wrap niya at meron naman kaming puputukin at paglalaruan ng kapatid ko mamaya. As you open it, as you can see, it comes with cover again. Sobrang secured niya at isa yun sa mga na-appreciate ko. Very decent. It's well packaged, so that's nice. Check na check. There's some inclusion here. And in this part, dyan nakalagay lahat ng laman ng box na to na makikita natin mamaya, obviously. So if you freeze ko na lang siya para mabasa nyo. And yeah. So, buksan na natin yung plastic cover. I'm really excited for this. And there you go. Wala talagang damage yung box. Ayan, as you can see. So, let's open it. May kita mo na agad dito yung 6 detailed brush na included sa gift set na to. And actually, may mas mura na product on the same store, guys. Kaso nga lang, wala siyang 6 detailed brushes. But, mas mura siya. I'll put the link on the description box also. And yes, may iba't ibang sizes nga yung brushes niya na nag-range sa 000 to 3. And the brush is made in nylon. So, napaka-smooth talaga ng bristles niya. Ang ganda ng quality. And appreciate ko din yung takip. Siguro para maiwasan yung pagkasira or alam nyo na yung pagkatikwas ng bristles. And that's nice. Anyways, let's move on to the metal case. Which is nice kasi meron naman siyang bubble wrap. When you open it, really, it's the nicest, simplest, slick type of case. I really admire it. I wish my pencil cases looked like this during my high school days. Pero, syempre, pwede na naman siyang gawing pencil case at your choice. But, it's made as a case for this watercolor. Pretty sure, madami din naman sigurong ganito na binibenta through online. So, you can search for it. Tinatry ko lang naman isukat para naman malaman nyo kung gaano kalaki, but I know this clip is kind of stupid for some reason, but at least I tried. And now let's have a view for what's inside the metal case. And yes, I know what you're thinking, ang ganda ng bukasan niya, and I totally agree with that. And yes, this is the overview. And makikita mo na agad yung water brush, flat brush, color card, yung mixing palette, and also the sponge. Behind that color card, nandun yung watercolor, obviously. And here is the water brush. Maganda yung bristles niya. Medyo oily nga lang nung hinawakan ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yung tubig or langis. I don't know. Pero wala naman tubig yung lagayan niya. But, wala naman siyang damage or what. So, that's good. You know what guys, I am honestly thankful that this gift set has a flat brush kasi dati nawala na yung flat brush ko, so habol ko rin to sa product na to na gagamitin natin mamaya sa swatch. And yes, nakaka-encourage mag-paint kapag ganito yung laman ng unboxing for me. It has 3 mixing palette and it also comes with a sponge like what I said. Ayan, yung color card niya is made of watercolor paper. Also, to mention, yung huling color dito na nakalagay is permanent yellow. Na namali siguro kasi sa palette ng tinignan ko, red ang nakalagay. And, okay, I accept that mistake though. Wala namang perfecto sa mundo to. So, yes. Winks! Story time. What really bought it status post from Facebook that this product is very affordable for its quality and the feedback is really good. Madami na nagsasabi na ang ganda ng kalidad niya for its cheap price kasi 50 pieces na siya. And also nakikita ko doon sa mga art community groups sa Facebook and that convinced me to buy it. Ang kaso nga lang yun sa akin, umabot yata ng 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks, I guess. I don't know exactly pero matagal ko siya na-receive. But I'm telling you guys, as they say, it's really worth it. If you're wondering, hindi siya chalky and that's great. And for the most awaited part, we're gonna do some swatches. Here I have my things ready, and as I said earlier, I'm gonna use the flat brush, which I am excited about. So yeah, let's find out. And we're done. In my opinion, it didn't fail me because I'm amazed and satisfied. The outcome was really nice. The watercolor is pigmented, vibrant as I expected, and not chalky at all. Overall, it's rare to find a high-performance watercolor that would be budget-friendly like this. Everything else was package-friendly. There were no dents at all, although the item took quite long to deliver, but it's okay because it's worth the wait. And if you're still hesitant whether to or not to buy this gift set, it's fine. You can still check other products or stores online, but I can tell if you're looking for inexpensive watercolor that comes with a great set of brushes. What more can you ask for, right? With an excellent performance for its cheap price, I definitely recommend this one. And if you want to try it out, I'll put the link on the description box down below. And for the outro, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it and that it was useful. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!